Welcome to Philadelphia. The local time is 5:08 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we're safely parked at the gate. Once the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, that'll be your one and only indication that it is okay to get out of your seat. We will be arriving into Terminal B, as in Bravo. Our arrival gate is B6, that is Bravo 6. For those of you with connecting gates, we advise that you check the monitors inside the terminal or visit aa.com for any updated connecting gate information. And if Philadelphia is your final destination, your baggage claim carousel here will be carousel 13. Again, baggage claim carousel number 13. And on behalf of American Airlines, our OneWorld partners, and the entire Philadelphia-based crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us today. Whether you're returning home or just passing through, we hope you enjoy your time here in the greater Philly area. Have a great rest of your evening.